my sons are on it, my husband's on it, but my sons are the ones that really see the testimony. Dante, who's here with us, he's had asthma since he was like 2.
Whoa.
And he's been on steroids and and once it gets in his lungs, he's down for about 3 weeks. He's played competitive sports, so it was something where I became like his nurse for 3 weeks. He would wheeze. I'd have to go make sure he's still breathing because he couldn't get it off his lungs. And we did a protocol on him. He has an asthmatic cough, and when I hear it, I know, okay, I got to get on it right now. It's already in his lungs. We started the protocol 2 days, gone.
Wow.
Gone. His asthma gone. I mean,